idling a little bit too high here.
Gosh darn it. Lovely country road where you can get a nice bit of speed up, and you get stuck behind a sewage van. Someone's had their septic tank pumped. Lovely. Anyway, so I'm on the way to a nice calf again, yet again. I've got my mate Andy behind me on what is it, Kawasaki Kawasaki 500, something like that. Got some nice big spotlights on there. Geez, they're bright. I want to go to a nice calf and have a nice lunch. Maybe meet up with some other motovlogger. There goes Andy on the Kelly 500, he's had enough. This is a new microphone test that I'm doing. Yeah, so the last microphone didn't like at all. And I didn't like it at all. People say it was rubbish, couldn't hear me. This one might be a little bit better. So yeah, if this microphone's viable, I might use it. It's quite good in the fact that it's just the easy use, because the camera can be in its full waterproof type shell. Yeah, I'm using a separate voice recorder, but there's no wires, so nothing really to come unplugged. Sorry Andy, I'm going quite slow today. I think I've got either some good friends, I don't know why they're friends with me to be honest, who drives rubbish bikes, who doesn't drive fast. Can't even get to breakfast on time. Through this village, up and down the hill. Nice little flat this is. I would slow down for the speed limit, but I'm not going fast enough. Ooh. Hello police. Nothing wrong with my bike, I assure you. See look, I'm giving up with traffic. Okay, now he might put away from me now. Slightly uphill, you know. Oh, the police aren't going to see me on that one. Oh, is that them now? Hey Phil. What excellent timing that was. What excellent timing! Oh. Unstable ground. So you need to get the right... So you need to get a side stand for it. Phil, this is Andy. Andy, this is Phil, and this is Phil's wife. Yeah, I've got one. Oi, where's that? What's that? What's that? It's not going to turn it. It's not going to turn it. You got an Allen key on you?
No.
You don't need mirrors when you're the fastest thing on the road. Who's leading? Alright. You're right.
Anyway, mic test over. Let me know what you think of it. It's not the best, but it's not terrible. I think I might use it. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.